Okay guys, greet naman kayo. Happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July.
4th of July.
So, we're gonna spend our 4th of July here in Bridgeland Festival Park. Let's cross. Hello guys, nandito kami sa Festival Park ng Bridgeland Subdivision. So yung Bridgeland Subdivision, isa sa mga mayayamang lugar dito sa Cypress, Texas. And may fireworks display, 7 to 9 daw, alas 7 na. Party, doon yung fireworks. Laya yung kaibigan ko nasa kabila Charles nasa kabila. Doon sa hindi nakakalam, ultra marathon runner to. And nung gustong gusto nyo ito naglalakad, nagja-jogging. Ayan, so ayan, daming iikutan niya rito sa neighborhood na to. Ang laki. Hi guys, time check, it's 8:15. People are coming. Ay, ang dami dyan. Okay. Can I get some?
You want to go ahead and grab one? We have some darts here. We have some fans, some jump ropes, and we have some.
What is this? Towel?
Yeah, unfortunately we're out of town. What do you want?
HEB. Hey!
She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in something true. He took the midnight train going.
Why is there an EMS? Why are you walking like that? Okay guys, they are watering the grass in preparation for the fireworks.
Es una salida jugada y obviamente en el intento de la selección ecuatoriana de trascender.
Yep, that's water. A lot of people on the other side of the street. Yeah, yeah.
Una personalidad que parece que tiene más en cuenta, ¿no? Parece que los 30 cuando se le vienen más abre el compás y te lo termina comiendo.
closing it down.
La docena de Paul se metía en el gol, todo llegaba para pelear en pie. El Guti puede acompañar.
Si Charles na curious, anong lasa ng shave ice? Anong review mo? Hindi masarap.
Pare, mas masarap halo-halo.
Hindi, wala siyang lasa kasi talaga eh.
Parang pang ano lang talaga siya, no? Pang quench ng
I feel scammed, pero at least maganda yung girl na nagbebenta.
Oo, talaga. Shaved ice.
Oh yan, shaved ice.
ice lang talaga siya.
Ice lang talaga siya.
Shave. Nanilagyan ng kulay.
Nilagyan ng kulay.
Yung
Yes.
kulay.
At least, American yung kulay. Blue, red,
Oh, blue and red. White. Yeah.
Hello guys, share ko lang no. 4th of July celebration dito sa area namin. Parang nagpunta Charles, parang nagpunta lahat ng mga
May kapalit yun.
Parang hindi rin. Hindi rin.
doon yung fireworks. Alam mo Charles, binasaan nila yung mga grass kanina. In preparation, talagang pinaghahandaan eh. Yan, lake. Alam nyo ba na yung lake na yan ay man-made? Ginawa lang yan para sa loob ng subdivision na to. And ready na sila. They're ready for the fireworks in the darkness. Yan, meron silang mga light up na accessories.
There's fireworks there.
Okay, sabi mo Charles, no? Hindi sineselebrate yung independence sa atin.
Parang holiday lang siya.
Parang regular, parang wag ka lang papasok.
Oo, yun na yun.
Independence Day na yun. Hindi pa yan yung inabangan namin guys, neighborhood lang yan na may nagpapaputok lang dyan. And then after this, ang tapos nito, past 9. Now we're good. Thank you.
Is it free?
I don't know. Awesome. Ang tawag dito? Ang tawag dito? Libre ba? Yun to crack it. Yung namimigay ng mga glow in the dark. Libre lang pala. You crack it. Look. You crack it. Para mag-mix yung chemicals. Libre lang. Kala ko may bayad eh. Sa mga bata. Okay. So dito big deal talaga yung 4th of July. Big deal yung 4th of July. So maraming patriots dito eh. Maraming patriots. Ano pa? Ano pa yung pinag-uusapan natin? Dami ng tao naghanap ka na may nakasukbit na baril.
Oo, parang wala pa ako nakikita may nakasukbit na baril. Pero malamang may mga naka-concealed carry.
Yeah. Optional naman kasi yun eh. Hindi yun parang ayun may namibigay. Hey! Hey! Hingi ka nga. Yan mga lalaki namimigay sila ng mga AJ! AJ, give me that and get some. Dali! AJ, come on! Go, get some. Go, grab some. Grab some, go! Ang tagal mo kasi kumilos eh. You're too slow.
Yung babae marami.
Yun, may nagpa-fireworks na. Ayan. 4th of July celebration dito sa Cypress, Texas. Kami, nasa west side kami ng Houston. Houston kasi ban ng fireworks, no? Hindi ka pwedeng magano ng fireworks doon. Dito allowed. Bakit? Kasi yung liberal mayor doon parang nag-pass ng ordinance yata. Ano masasabi mo sa Independence Day dito?
Kulang na lang aliens. Di ba? Kulang na lang ang alien.
Daming tao, di ba? Saya. It's starting! Para sa yung countermeasures ng ano? Oo, galing eh. Walang sabi-sabi. Countermeasures. Countermeasures.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream